machine, there are certain detergents that you use in a washing machine. This is just one of them. I don't tell you to use this, but it's better. So anytime you go to the market and you want a washing machine detergent, you'll definitely look for this washing machine logo. You don't use a normal powder when you are doing a wash. So this one is better. You can get several in market. There's parsley, you can do Omo, you can do Toss, any of your taste, but make sure it has this washing machine logo. So for a washing machine, you can use this one because this is powder. You can as well use liquid. It doesn't really have to be specific like liquid or powder. You can use any. So when you get closer, this washing machine, it has 3 compartments. We have this, it has 2 lines, and then we have one with 1 line, and then there is a softener here. So these 3 compartments, using the same soap, this one, you can use, and I said before, you can use either liquid or powder. This one, you use, it is for normal washing. By normal wash, I mean, if you can relate, when we are doing normal washes, you just take clothes and then you put them in maybe basin, and then you do your normal washing. So that is the function of this one. But when you have this one, it means you want to soak. So this washing machine can actually soak your clothes. So you put here soap, but I'll tell you how you can how do you call it? How you use this one from the washing machine. And then this one is the softener. For softener, it really doesn't matter which one you use. You can use any, downy. It doesn't have a specific for a washing machine. Then people also ask, what is the maximum you can put in a washing machine? Now, there is this push button here. I think it's not a bit clear, but I think you can peep through and see it. There's this push button where you just push and then you pull. So you can have the whole compartment. If you want to clean it, you can clean it inside. Also here, there's sometimes soap comes in here and then it soaks. So it's good for cleaning. So coming back to this push button, you can as well remove this. It's a bit hard. If you have something to prick it, you can pull it up and then you can clean the whole thing. So you look at this the way it is. There is a certain level here. There's also a level here, and then here there is max. I think there is a line here where it's indicated max. So these lines are your guides. If your laundry is fully loaded, because understand this is a 12 kg washing machine. So if your laundry is fully loaded with the 12 kg, then the maximum you can do, if you are using powder soap, let it not go beyond this particular line here. And if you are doing soak, let it not go beyond this particular line. For a softener, let it not go beyond the maximum line here. So you'll notice when you start washing, this soap will be the first one to be drained inside the washing machine, then maybe followed by this one. But this one, because it's a softener, is the last thing that will be taken. It's the last thing that will be taken by the machine. So at some point you'll find not all the softener that you put initially has been used. Sometimes it remains for the next wash. So you don't have to worry if you see a softener here still remaining even after the wash. So that's about the detergent dispenser. Now, before I even continue to the other parts, let me just try insist on something on the soak compartment. If you put your soap here, this one is drawn one. If you put your soap here, it is mandatory for you to press the pre-wash function. So pre-wash is now what we call soaking, and the machine will only pre-wash if there is soap in that compartment. So if we turn on our washing machine and then we press pre-wash, not all can pre-wash though. You can maybe use fabric. Yes, the moment you tap on pre-wash, it should light up. If you find something that you're trying to press pre-wash and it's not lighting up, then it means you cannot pre-wash that particular fabric. Like in this case, delicates, you cannot pre-wash delicates. Yeah, so that's about the detergent. So keep in mind, if you use this one, you must press the pre-wash function. You good?